haven't gone anywhere, but if you know, I'm on other platforms, and juggling behind the scenes with business, it can be a lot, physically, all that and above. If you are new to my channel, welcome again. My name is Mar, and I am the owner and the creator behind all these beautiful phone cases, junk cases, the Crocs, the shoes, other accessories, you name it. So get comfortable, get your favorite drink and snack, and let's get to it, because I'm about to teach you a few things. Get into the bling, because that's why we here, showing all the wonderful bling phone cases that I had created over the past couple of weeks. Design, the paper chaser has been one of the top favorites. Just me just showing off that they can come in iPhone, Android, you name it. Stay tuned, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own phone cases and junk cases as well. One thing about it, I love me a good accessory, especially that complements the phone cases. It had added the lanyards, super cute, love it, blingy. It just a cute pair. Like, look at it. Sunflower theme has also been a very popular theme this past year. The quality when you come over here, the quality of the phone cases, I mean, you see it, like no filters, none of that. And we have flavors over here, baby. Best and believe. Get into the fun stuff. Creating your own bling phone case. I need glue. Use E6000. I have my rhinestones, my bling, my pieces, the charms, you name it. The drill's in my Amazon storefront. I love this drill. It's like my best friend. Whether I'm designing shoes or a phone case, it's just clutch. I know some people do the sandpaper. Why work harder when you can work smarter? If you're creating bling cases, there is a certain technique I do, but I know everyone does different. Like creating the phone cases, starting on the sides and blinging out the sides, then coming in with the middle. It's all about the foundation to me. You have a foundation that is put together. Everything else just comes like more naturally. I've been making phone cases for the past almost 11 years, and this has been my favorite technique. Stuck with it. Once again, I know other people does differently. This is what I do over here and what makes it easier for me. Once you finish the edges, and that's when you figure out what pieces you want to put in. Every phone case is different for me. It's truly a thought process that I do naturally and freely, and this is why I love what I do. This is the type of stuff you just can't buy at the store. It's custom, it's the quality. I mean, like, you finally see the finished product. It's a no-brainer. Like, look at it. Like, these are the orders I had completed, and they are beautiful. And I know you see the bling, but the bling is no justice until you see it in person. Like, even if it's the same theme, it's still different. Now let's get into the junk cases. The junk cases are different. They're not made like the bling cases. The charms are different. The charms are freestyle. Ordering any of the charms or any of the pieces, I don't know exactly what I'm going to get, and everything is different. Let me tell you, junk cases have not been like new. This is something that was brought back in the day. Like when I first started making phone cases back in 2014, I already seen junk cases like this, but they wasn't really called junk cases. I think they were called something else. It's pretty cool with all the different charms like you just put together. It's like a collage, just something unique. It reminded me of like Candyland. I don't know if anyone of you know about Candyland back in the day, ever played it. That's what the type of vibes it gives me. I am showing you the drill again because y'all know, like I said, the drill is my best friend. Make sure you have goggles or some type of safety glasses at all times when you are dealing with like glues and type of equipment like this. This case is something different. I don't have this case automatically in my store. I just wanted something different when I created this one. Too many people add pop sockets or ring holders. Get a few people, but I just like different. I like something unique. I like something that's not like the rest. Me just showing off the charms, any type of charms, all different types of charms you can use. First, for a very long time, I wasn't using glitter, but I was like, you know what? There's some spaces because it's not blinged out all the way. Let's start using glitter at times. I used glitter for one of my orders because it was a freestyle. It was so cute. So I know I wanted to make another junk case with glitter. Here's me showing you all the pieces. All the pieces are unique. And even for you, it doesn't matter what type of charms. It all depends on what you want. If you're making something for someone else, it just depends on what their, what their likings are, their favorite color, what type of theme you're doing. Are you adding their name? All different types of stuff. These, when I tell you, these are so fun to make. If there's any charms that you have not seen that you want me to add to my inventory, let me know. I know I've seen some crosses, some smiley faces, and other types of cute charms, nail charms, you name it. So just let me know in the comments. Once you figure out what charms you want, you put them to the side, and that's what I am doing. And before I even go and start the case, I'm looking at other charms as well. Look at the lollipop, super cute. I don't know, I just be just something different, unique. And as you see, these charms are so unique. You don't see a lot of each one. They're all just random. I love about a junk case. A junk case is what it's named, junk. It's a bunch of random things put together. It's a collage. It's a masterpiece. You design, you're like, wow, every corner, every piece matters. I guess I'm trying to say it's not organized, what makes it fun. So I am drilling the case because you need to always drill your case before you do anything else. And then you wipe it with rubbing alcohol. That will clean it off, any extra dust particles. And then you just dry it after you're done with, doing that. This preps for Crocs, phone cases, anything that's like a rubber, or you just want that surface to be real rough. So let me know in the comments what other color junk cases or phone cases, what themes y'all want to see more of. Let me know, because I don't create these just for me. I create these for all of you guys. I want to know what you want to see. I want to know what's been, what you've been thinking of. There is certain things I do not play with, but let's see. I want to know what you guys come up with. I'm using resin. That's what you use differently from the junk case. Bling cases, you use glue. When you're making a junk case, you use the resin. I do have things on my Amazon storefront, so I will leave all that information in the description so you can, know where to get some of the items from, such as charms, the drill, etc. So since I really don't do glitter all like that, y'all. Kids and glitter gets everywhere. Man, it seems fun, but once you realize it's all over your house, everywhere, all over you, then days later, you're like, nah. I'm using a brush that I got from the dollar store, and I just brush the resin that's mixed with the glitter all over the case. And if you're not using glitter, you just start off with this technique where you just put a little bit of the resin glue, and then you start just decorating your case. Just have fun with it. There's no right or wrong way of doing a junk case. Remember, that's what it's named, junk. It's a collage of things collectively that you like, you love, you think is cute. Put a ring holder on your case, put it on your case. If you love the candy pieces and it's so colorful with the gummy bear, you put that on your case. You put stars and hearts and all the things that you think looks cute. Some people have been using tongue rings, all different types of charms. It's pretty cool. And then once you're completed and done, you put that baby under the light, and bam. And bam, after the light, it looks like this. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It's so colorful. It's so all over the place, and I actually love it.